koto mochorilo nesi ejai isokoto yene ditinoi yene yangari jo tono ukoto nepeta imita ya kwatat eroko jo edumuna ne ejai radio pet ijai dojo kujuna ukoto nesi teajo akwapna ko Democratic Republic of Congo ejokonoi Grace Busese auriatana ko Nyabuganda kogwela nari eduka korot na buwe wanyu Abenyak lomunete tomatutubet ngesi itete munuti eponela lomunata Abenyak kaisana lukany.
It was 16th of June at 43 past 10. I was standing around the veranda. I saw armed men bypassing alongside the road. Some waved to me too waved to them. I asked them that is it okay in Kiswahili? Nina sawa? They said it's okay by use of signs. They continued going.
Mamngesa chamunitebe arasilui kiarin luka jore na ko UPDF kanwa woja ukeche ibore abuija ikingesi achaun kaneja se upakake.
I said to nurse that nurse, are you seeing these people who are passing? She said yes, I'm seeing them. I asked her, have you understand them? She said, no, for me I don't understand them. I don't know whether they are soldiers here in Uganda. Our soldiers here, they are too tall, but these ones are too short. I told her that, nurse, let us enter our houses to sleep. They were like 35, of like 25 years, short, not tall.
Nepetai erai imita ya kwatare neja ya duka ke Busese kai somero. Erai dojo aiseregori kosoda inome kona kediany koto madakika na uni kodoli dojo osomero loka Lubiriha Secondary School. Erai do osawana nepetai kanyi lua tibong nesi apotu Abenyaka lua ngapitos igoine lua jore na ko Democratic Republic na Congo odakito simudun ipagai ayepia. Imelekes nepepekai belai kolomuni atatomo somero etunganan lo soditi Abenyaka lue yar ngesi edara nerute lo adakite bela boni kae paga.
The school had no security. It had just only the gatekeeper. The gatekeeper was killed. He was from the Nyandro sub-county. He had just a stick and a panga.
Kepotu erasata ajotete kechi sapa itosomaite angajepsine nwegelegela ajodi jodo kuyangare kek.
It was 11 p.m. We had people knocking on our door. I saying that to open for them. We refused, and we tried to ask them who are they. They said, this is your head teacher. We said no, the head teacher is not around. They said that, where the dome captain? We said no, don't worry. They said, hey, nobody's here. We said yes.
So they left us because we have refused to open the door. So they went to ladies' dormitory. So the ladies, they opened. So they started killing the ladies.
After like 10 minutes, they came back. They continued shooting the windows. After like in 3 minutes, they continue again hammering the door. It got broken. So they entered inside the dormitory. They started killing the students. They was hammering the heads using axes, hose, and pankas.
Ariganyira ngesi obu okuatwa na reko jamulo aponi ichwekini ido eteido ngesi eponelo atubutubere apaupake idiopene toni atwakarekere.
So after killing, they say, there is not anybody alive. They come and check and they find one person. They kill him. After they pour petrol on the mattress, then they burn. If I get up from the mattress where I hide, I find a lot of flames. So I pass through flames to go out. That's why the flame burns me.
isapaka ape surukere luaponi chweikini mambo boti joy pedore jeneda ido adunyete na esomero Roset Kabugo nesi atingiteta suro epupidongesi akirokere iswamasikoto mosomero Kanuka TV East Alfred Atwau kai reporter ko district alo Kasese.